High-class lifestyle, smart choice for family happiness, Wordin. Wordin, happiness creator. Creating a happy lifestyle with healthcare and household appliances, Wordin. Wordin started parts development in 1995 and has accumulated know-how for developing various electrical appliances. We entered the home healthcare appliance business in 2005 and made our lower body bathing machine, ALLDA, the best luxury brand in Korea. In 2016, we launched ALLDA, our premium multi-cooker, building our capabilities as a global leading home appliance company. Enjoy a half-body bath without water with Wordin ALLDA Premium Lower Body Bathing Machine. Try a new healthy life with a daily half-body bath for your well-being. All the pleasure of cooking. Cooking Master, ALLDA. Enjoy cooking time with ALLDA. Cook for health and happiness of your family. Wordin will continue to develop a variety of smart home appliances for customers' health as well as high-quality, well-being life. Also, we will do our best to grow into a comprehensive home appliance company that leads global technology. Wordin, happiness creator.